Hello everyone, welcome to my channel bikerrajat. This video is all about Honda CB300R, first look, its specs and features, and also about its launch in India. So without killing much of your time, let's get to the video. Honda Motorcycle and Scooter India (HMSI) has launched the CB300R Street Fighter in the country at an ex-showroom price of Rs 2.41 lakhs. The Honda CB300R borrows its design cues from the Honda new sports cafe concept and looks like the baby CB300R. The Honda CB300R is powered by a 286cc liquid-cooled DOHC single-cylinder engine tuned to produce 30.9 bhp at 8,500 rpm. The motor is paired with a 6-speed gearbox. The CB300 has a curb weight of 143 kg, which makes it quite light for its class. The bike comes equipped with 41mm USD forks up front and a 7-step preload adjustable monoshock suspension at the rear. The bike gets full LED lights and a LCD instrument console, while dual disc brakes with ABS for optimum stopping power. The CB300R also comes equipped with a gear shift warning lights and peak hold function. Bookings for this recently launched super and stylish Honda motorcycle are already open, while deliveries will commence by the third week of March 2019. Thank you everyone for watching my video, and if you like my video then don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated of my latest videos, and also don't forget to provide your comments in the comment section below. Thank you so much.